Hey everyone, this is BA Media once again. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. I regularly share videos focused on making money, so without further ado, let's get started. If you watch one video, you will receive 61 cents. By watching the second video, you will earn 32 cents. Each subsequent video you watch will grant you 47 cents and so forth. By employing the technique demonstrated in the video, you can generate a profit of $2.48 per minute by watching YouTube videos. This method is effective in all countries, including the Philippines, the United States, and worldwide. Furthermore, at the conclusion of the video, an additional tip will be shared, enabling you to earn $600 per day in completely passive income utilizing a new website. The initial step involves earning money by watching YouTube videos online. You need to visit a specific website, the name of which will be disclosed shortly. This website operates by allowing you to earn money while watching various types of videos, including commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV shows. Additionally, you have the opportunity to earn $1 for each person who joins the site through your referral link. Once your account reaches to the minimum required balance, you can transfer the fund to your bank account, PayPal, or other available withdrawal options. The website has partnered with over 6,000 brands as displayed here, ensuring a continuous supply of new videos for your viewing. If desired, you can obtain more information about the website by clicking on the About Us option located at the top right corner of the site. To get started, simply click on the Sign Up button provided. To proceed, you need to provide your first name, last name, birthday, gender, email address, and password. Additionally, make sure to check the CAPTCHA box before clicking on the Create Account button. After signing up, you will receive a $5 bonus as displayed in My Account. This is an exciting start. Now, let me demonstrate how we can increase your earnings further. On the left-hand side, you will find 5 videos available for viewing. Beginning with the first video, watching it will grant us 61 cents as shown in the screen. Now, let's proceed by clicking on the play button for this particular video. As soon as we do, an advertisement will appear, which we can simply close. Afterwards, we can click on the play button once more and the video will begin playing. However, we don't need to watch the entire video. We only need to watch it for 34.4 seconds. While the video is playing, keep an eye on the countdown timer that indicates the remaining time. Once the seconds are up, we click on the complete button located under the video. This action will prompt another advertisement to appear, which we can close as well. Clicking on the complete button again, a message will appear on our dashboard stating successfully completed. You have received 61 cents. Now we have to refresh the page to reflect the updated account balance, which now shows as 5.61 cents. The process needs to be repeated for the videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. Clicking on the second video will once again display an advertisement, which we close. Clicking on the play button again initiate the video playback. After watching 34 seconds to elapse, we click on the complete button below the video. This action prompts another advertisement, which we close as before, followed by clicking on the complete button again. After refreshing the page, we observe that the account balance now has increased to 5.93 cents. However, please note that there is a limitation of watching only 5 videos within a 24-hour period. If you attempt to click on the first or second video again, a message will indicate that it will be available after 24 hours. But don't worry, I will guide you on how to continue earning 2.48 cents per minute repeatedly. Before proceeding, kindly show your support by liking the video and commenting on your country name, enabling me to create more content for viewers on your country. Moving on to step number 2, to earn 2.48 cents repeatedly with these 5 videos. You can create multiple accounts on this website. For instance, creating 5 to 10 accounts will allow you to earn 61 cents, 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents, and 56 cents on each account, totaling 248 cents in less than a minute. By having 10 accounts, you can easily and effortlessly earn a total of 24.80 cents within a few minutes. No need to worry if you don't have many email address. I have a bonus tip for you on creating multiple accounts. Before demonstrating the process, let me log out of my current account. You can begin creating a new account by clicking on the sign up button again. On the next page, you can enter a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender. Now let's focus on the email address box. Here's the trick. If you only have one email address, you can use your user email or any email you prefer. In this demonstration, we will use a new email. Here's how it works. Simply add a dot in the email address. Surprisingly, it will be accepted. As you can see, we have successfully created a new account using the same email address. In fact, you can place a dot anywhere in the email address, whether it's before or after or in between the characters. All these variations will be recognized and accepted. The advantage of this trick is that all emails sent to the various of the email address I just demonstrated will be redirected to the original email address. This is how Google functions, and it's a clever trick that many people are unaware of. Now let's move on to the exciting part of making $600 in pure passive income. Moving on to step number 3, please navigate on the top right corner and hover on your mouse over the My Account option. From the drop-down menu, select the referral option. This action will direct us to the page where we can observe that for each person who signs up using your unique link, we will earn $1 as a referral bonus. It's important to note that the website in question is named winthub.com. The link to the website mentioned will be provided in the video's description for easy access, allowing you to begin earning money through this platform. Now let me reveal an additional secret bonus trick that will enable you to attract a large number of online users who will register through your referral link. This strategy will allow you to generate $600 per day in fully passive income. However, before we proceed, I kindly request that you express your support by liking the video if you have enjoyed it so far. Now this is a particular step. Let's navigate facebook.com. In the search box, enter the phrase "Make Money Online" and hit enter. Next, scroll down to the page a bit and select the group option. From there, choose the public groups category. This will provide you with a list of various public groups that are open for everyone to join without requiring permissions. The advantage is that we can easily join any of these groups. For instance, if you click on a specific group, we will be directed to a page where we can find numerous posts featuring different offers to make money online. Your task is to create a post similar to the one displayed here. As you can observe, this individual made a post a few hours ago, which has garnered a significant number of likes and comments from interested individuals. If only 600 people out of the numerous groups members sign up using your referral link, you can easily earn $600 per day on winthub.com. Now let me demonstrate the most effective method to create a Facebook post with your referral link in this group. Simply click on the indicated area here. So for the post, I will write about earning $80 from the site just by watching ads, emphasizing that it's completely free. I will ask people to comment below for more details. As for the image, we will search for Google for WinthUb proof of payment and select the option to view images. From the displayed images, we will choose the one that shows $80 payment proof and save it on our computer. Returning to Facebook, we will click on the designated area to attach the downloaded image. This will create a post with the desired content and visual. You can repeat this process in various other Make Money Online Facebook groups, and over time, you will accumulate a substantial amount of money, even surpassing $600 per day. Initially, aim to get around 20 to 30 people to sign up each day, resulting in earnings of approximately $600 to $900 per month from simple Facebook posts. To withdraw your earnings from the website, simply hover your mouse over My Account once again and select the withdraw option. Upon reaching this page, you will discover that there are 4 options available for withdrawing your earnings. Western Union has a minimum limit of $100, while PayPal, WebMoney, and Pioneer all have a minimum threshold of $80. Once you surpass the threshold limit, simply click the withdraw button and set up your account. The money will be transferred to your chosen withdrawal method. Earning $80 is relatively easy if you consistently follow both methods demonstrated in this video. And that concludes today's content. If you found value on this video, please like it. And if you're interested in making even more money by watching YouTube videos, click on the video on the right side of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to explore other videos and various online money making methods. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for future updates. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.